antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of black seed oil may be associated with the reduction of acne. Studies show that black seed oil can reduce acne severity by 78%. One study found that applying black seed extract topical gel twice daily for 60 days reduced acne severity by 78%. Black seed oil contains a compound known as thymoquinone, which stimulates tissue growth and helps heal wounds. According to animal studies, thymoquinone is shown to be beneficial in the treatment of burns, excisions, and diabetic wounds due to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. Black seed oil is an oil extracted from a plant called black cumin, Nigella sativa. This oil is a substance that is believed to have various health benefits in traditional medicine practices and modern research. Potential benefits for hair health include black seed oil can help strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. Among the ingredients it contains are omega-3 fatty acids, protein, zinc, and other minerals, which can positively affect hair health. Black seed oil is thought to help reduce hair loss. The antioxidant properties of this oil can protect hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Black seed oil can moisturize the scalp and protect against various skin problems. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it can reduce irritation on the scalp. Black seed oil can be effective against scalp problems such as dandruff. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, it can kill germs on the scalp and prevent dandruff from forming. Black seed oil can strengthen hair strands and give hair a natural shine. By nourishing the hair strands, it can contribute to the healthier appearance of the hair. According to some studies, black seed oil may be effective in treating vitiligo, a disease that causes the loss of skin pigmentation. After applying a cream containing black seed oil for 6 months, 33 people with vitiligo showed improvement in pigmentation on their hands, face and genital areas. Black seed oil is known to promote weight loss and reduce body fat. A study of 45 women with overweight or obesity found that taking 2,000 milligrams of black seed oil daily for 8 weeks reduced appetite and increased body mass index. It showed that it reduced body weight, waist circumference, and body fat. Studies have shown that black seed oil has the potential to reduce symptoms of eczema, a condition characterized by dry and itchy skin. A 2012 study by the trusted source found that black seed oil reduced the severity of hand eczema for 4 weeks when applied topically twice a day. In a study on mice, thymoquinone, a compound in black seed oil, appeared to reduce inflammation and improve eczema symptoms. There is some evidence that black seed oil may help prevent metabolic syndrome, a set of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Black cumin oil contains high amounts of antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals that can lead to cancer. Black cumin oil and its active compound thymoquinone have been shown to have some promising anti-cancer effects in test tube studies. For example, in one test tube study, thymoquinone was found to cause cell death in blood cancer cells. In a test tube study, black cumin oil extract was found to inactivate breast cancer cells. According to tests, Kalanji components may also be effective against cancers of the pancreas, lung, cervix, prostate, skin, and colon. May help kill bacteria, disease-causing bacteria. In some test tube studies, black cumin oil was found to have antibacterial properties and to be effective in fighting certain types of bacteria. In a second study, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, a bacteria that is difficult to treat and resistant to antibiotics, was isolated from the wounds of diabetics. In other test tube studies, black seed oil has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria such as MRSA, as well as many other bacteria. Kalanji supplementation has been shown to improve fasting blood sugar levels. Similarly, another study in 94 people showed that taking Kalanji every day for 3 months significantly reduced fasting blood sugar and insulin resistance. there is some evidence that kalonji can help protect the stomach liners and prevent stomach ulcers from forming. In one animal study, 20 mice with stomach ulcers were given kalonji, and only 83% of them showed healing. Contains high antioxidants. Antioxidants that protect cells from free radicals are abundant in black cumin oil. Thymoquinone is one of these compounds. This compound is healthy for the lungs, anti-inflammatory, and helps prevent liver damage. In COPD patients, black cumin oil can help improve the lungs. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.